is just fit in just one car, no?
Mm.
So if it's like they're walking at the side, it's so dangerous.
Same with all the motors trying to pass.
Yeah. And most of the motorists in hurry, they don't wait. They don't wait.
What are you doing, dude? U-turn.
Can I U-turn?
Stopping in my lane.
Sorry. You can U-turn. See? There's no car in front.
Just like that being an idiot. A bunch of U-turns.
And Kuya is walking in the
Maybe it's
road.
walking.
Pretty dangerous, right? And the dog is in the road. And they're really slow to do it, you know? That one has been sitting for how long? Like months?
A long time.
Yeah, I wish they are hurry to do it so they will open it. You know what? This land is still on sale because it is really
Yeah,
expensive.
300 million. Pesos.
300 million. Oh my God, why do I buy that land? You know, if you have 300 million pesos.
Crazy price.
Yeah,
And it's being sold by a bank too.
yeah.
So it's already been foreclosed on someone from somebody else. Had a loan and didn't pay the loan.
Maybe.
Well, coming up on the gas station part, now a bunch of motors are going to try to go around.
Because this one is more wider.
So they don't want to wait.
No, they're coming.
Nope. Maybe.
No.
Maybe not. Or else they're maybe.
Because it has a hole. Electric.
I'm surprised I thought they would turn around us.
Yeah, I thought too. I thought they like a bees
They're just
coming.
waiting for the open road, I guess. Which is good. They were trying to go by me when there's construction. Too bad you weren't filming then. They were trying to pass
Yeah.
the construction zone.
Now that I'm filming, there's no bad drivers.
They're really good.
They're guns. If I don't film, there's a lot of bad drivers. If I get my camera and film it,
No bad driver.
no bad drivers.
Driving on this gas tank.
And the motor. They think that that is their right of way, no?
Yeah, motors think everything's the right of way.
Yeah,
Zoom, zoom.
yeah, they don't
Just like
care.
this lady getting in
Or
front
maybe
of me,
because
not looking.
in driving school, the instructor gonna teach us to protect, watch out for the motor, protect them because they don't have protection.
They should protect themselves too and not be idiots driving.
That's why they are stubborn.
Yeah. The only thing I really don't like about the motors is just when there's traffic, they push into your lane.
Yeah.
Drive right into your lane.
And it is like,
Because they want to pass. But when they find traffic that they can't get around, then they push into your lane.
and it is like
It doesn't
more,
matter if you're there or not. You just push over.
selfish. Like, me first.
It's not even selfish. Well, it's selfish, but
Or,
I mean, it's dangerous.
and then, yeah. And then they don't care.
Crazy.
Or they think that everybody's stopping for them. You're gonna hit your brake for them.
Something. Basically, you're just driving around.
Yeah, there's no bad driver today. Not really.
Not really. Not as bad as usual.
And
You missed the worst one with the guy trying to pass in the truck.
Oh, it is another construction road by the bridge. Porsche. They don't have
Yeah, this
registration.